We started our day with this.
एक प्लेट में 2 वड़ा आने के बदले 4 वड़ा, एक प्लेट में 1 पराठे के बदले 2 पराठा।
तो
बहुत
अभी
एक्स्ट्रा
ये
ब्रेकफास्ट हो गया।
थोड़ा ज़्यादा हैवी ब्रेकफास्ट हो गया है।
I'm getting ready now. As you can see that I've washed my hair, so I'll be using my new dye set. I'll straighten my hair a little like this on the other side as well, and maybe do some, light curls or. Yeah. So you can see the difference. And for me, actually, Dyson stays for a longer time. Like I already have a little wavy hair, so it stays for me longer. So I am done with my hair. I've done soft curls. I'm actually yet to open it, but yeah, this is how it looks. I am ready now. So we have completed most of the tourist places and the places that were on our itinerary. So we'll be going to Patrika Gate, Toran Gate, and then we'll be going shopping today. We have reached Patrika Gate. This is the Patrika Gate. You can see everyone's clicking pictures here. It's famous for that. And then the lighting is really nice. There are photographers here who click pictures for you, but you need to be very careful because they can ask you for extra money. So they charged 40 rupees for one picture for me, but when I clicked a lot of pictures with them, they initially told me that we've clicked 60 pictures, so you can pay for 30. And then I said like I just wanted 3-4 pictures, not like 30-60 pictures. Then they agreed and shared the pictures with me. But it's nice because they know how to control the crowd, so you get good pictures without a lot of people in your frame. So yeah, if you want to get like 2-3 pictures clicked, you can do that.
This is how the Patrika Gate looks from the inside. This is how the gate looks from the outside. Interior is very colorful and vibrant. A lot of patterns here. If you're someone who enjoys looking at different patterns, this is something you should never miss. This is the Toran Gate. It's, I think, one of the newest structure in Jaipur. It's nice. There's nothing much to see here, but a good spot for pictures. The sunlight is great. So we are done here. We are leaving from here on the way to go shopping finally. I don't know, we'll be looking at some of the दुपट्टास और अगर कुछ इयरिंग्स झुमकास कुछ मिला तो वो काय शॉपिंग करायचं आहे
बघू आता काय तिकडे आवडेल आपल्याला त्या हिशोबाने.
सो ऐसे कुछ प्लान नहीं है. वी हैव कम हियर फॉर सम स्नैक्स बिकॉज वी वर नॉट very hungry for like heavy lunch, so we decided we'll come for light snacks because Tapri is one place in Jaipur that I always visit when I'm here. It's really nice. You should definitely visit Tapri. There are multiple branches. There's one rooftop as well. It's a very cute space. And this complimentary khakra to start with. There are a lot of varieties for chai.
कसं क्यूट क्यूट ग्लासेस एकदम छान मस्त आहे ना.
So cheese corn shorts are here. It's really famous here.
छान वाटते ना, मला खूप आवडलं. बस
हाँ, चाय और दाल पकवान. So तड़का मैगी here is famous as well. तो हमने तड़का मैगी पर मंगा लिया था. Sachi wanted a pizza, so here we are. They give this cute. He Sachi है. There's a cute Parle-G biscuit packet as well with the chai. They have this inside seating indoors, and then there's outdoor seating. And currently the weather is quite pleasant to sit outside as well. We are here at Bapu Bazaar. Earrings and footwear, saris, dupatta, dresses, skirts, सब कुछ है actually इधर and pretty reasonable. सुना है कि इधर quality is better than any other market. Not sure how true this is, but yeah, we're having malai lassi. So this is everything that we got from the market today. ये दो skirts है, इसमें सब mix है, मेरा, मेरे बहन का, मेरे आंटी. There are these bangles and earrings. मीनाकारी वर्क वाले ज़्यादा लिए हैं. This is my favorite, राधा कृष्ण का earring. And then there's this dress, a full set. Earrings सब 150 ऐसे ही है range में. This sets I have seen on multiple websites, but it was comparatively expensive. ये मेरे को काफ़ी अच्छे में मिला है. I think 200-250 around कुछ मिला है. Our flight is at 12:50. It might be delayed is what they told us. Let's hope कि delay नहीं है, क्योंकि फिर already late है, उस पे और घर जाने को late हो जाएगा. We're looking at Armani because they have aqua fragrances. I really prefer like fresh aqua fragrances over the other ones. We have checked like multiple fragrances. We are very confused at this point. I did not end up buying the perfume. We checking somewhere else. But meanwhile, I saw this massage chair and I just came here for a stress relief massage to get started. I'll continue later. I'm done with the massage and it was really good. It was 15 minutes for 500 rupees and it was very relaxing and I would definitely recommend. हो गया ना मैम? See you in the next vlog. Bye. Like, share, subscribe, comment.